In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up new pages in Windows instead of new tabs on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Safari tab up in the menu bar, and then we go down and select where it says Settings. Alternatively, you can select the Command and Comma key, and then select the Tabs tab at the top. And where it says Open Pages and Tabs instead of Windows, click the drop down and select Never. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.